Hey guys, got another project to do today. Well, not today, this week. And I've ripped out my old fireplace, as you can see, ripped out. And it's going to be getting opened up and made deeper in as well, because we're putting a log burner in there. So obviously this is the fireplace looking at it, and obviously half missing. So this will bricked up here as well, straightforward, but I've knocked that out because you can see around both sides. That's just from old gas fire and old coal fire and that. And the back wall, I've took out a layer of bricks in there. Can't quite, I don't know how to make the light come on, but there is another back wall in there. So that will be getting another set of bricks back, and obviously all this taken out. I originally, we wanted it bigger than this, because that's just like obviously it's a small area and you put a log burner in there. We're getting I'm going to go for the Eco Flame Wide, which is I think it's the 8 kilowatt, but I'll update you on that as we've done it, and I'll show you our finished project afterwards, and then we'll go through some wood burning and log burner tips and tricks and stuff like that. But yeah, so we've got the half to do, brick slips around, obviously the half, the fireplace, the timber, and that's about it really.
Alright, now but in it.
Yeah.
Do different colours, but I can only do one colour at a time, do you know what I mean?